How to fix Overwatch 2 crashing in Windows. Keeping your operating system and associated apps updated ensures that any known bugs or compatibility issues are addressed, enhancing game performance and reducing crashes. Go to your library and click Get Updates. Wait till everything is installed. Restart your system when done. System File Checker and Deployment Image Servicing and Management tools can repair corrupted system files which might be affecting game performance. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the power plan on a computer can influence its performance. While many systems are set to balanced by default to conserve energy, this might not always provide the optimum environment for resource-intensive tasks like gaming. Switching to a high performance ensures that the system utilizes its resources to the fullest, potentially enhancing game stability and reducing crashes. Right-click on Overwatch 2 and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait till the process is complete. Launch the game as normal. Resetting gaming services can resolve issues arising from corrupted or outdated services. Click on PowerShell, Admin. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.